Well, alrighty then. What I'm going to show you here is how to take this hose and move it over so that it can be zip tied to the second hose here. So this hose is zip tied here to this hose, but there's a way of actually putting a vice grips on here, I guess you'd say, and squeezing it and then turning this. You're actually turning it anti-clockwise and moving the whole thing over. I've already done this one, so I can't move it anymore, because if I turn this further, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crimp this hose in the back. So you have to do it just a little bit, enough to give you about 3/8 of an inch clearance between here and the airbox, and believe me, you will get that clearance. I'm going to stop the video, put an airbox in, and then show you how much clearance there is here. Okay, I hope I have enough light here, because you can see now at the very, very bottom of the airbox and the hose where the gold is, it's at least a 1/2 inch clearance or more. So that's the key, is getting this hose clamp here and just kind of loosening it and twisting this anti-clockwise. And once you do that, you'll get these two hoses together. And notice the airbox is even dropped down. I'm not sure if you can see this, but the airbox is probably 1/8 of an inch below the F panel here, which is what you want, because otherwise you're going to be touching the bezel at the top there. And of course, this hose can now be put over the top. We used to have it underneath the underneath this intake bridge, but it really doesn't need to go there. It can go in the stock position, as you see. And this is a 14-inch hose. Okay?